welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded up, ready to go. Heading for Manali today, and then we're going to do the Ladakh, Manali to Leh, which is going to be the most challenging thing I've ever done in my life. But we'll get to Manali, see what the conditions are there, and 99% sure I'll be doing Ladakh. But if it's landslides and rain and stuff, I might consider not doing it. But guys, I came here to ride Ladakh. That was the whole idea of this trip, was to do Ladakh and the Karakoram Highway, northern Pakistan. I'm excited, but let's get on the road and head to Manali. It's 10 hours, so I won't be getting there today, but I will get there in this video. Well, I was on my way and I've lost my headlights, so I figured I'd better get my headlights done. So I rang the guys at Kawasaki, and they recommended Aurum, Kawasaki, near Aero City. So I did an hour, and I've just come an hour back because Aero City's where I'm staying. But I'll get another hotel tonight and pick up the bike in the morning, all serviced with headlights. Well guys, in the other video I pointed at the highway and said we're at the wrong side of the highway. Well, now we're on the other side of the highway. We're staying here at the Ibis. It's reasonably priced, maybe 45 US for the night, maybe 50. And it's just one night because I've got my the bike's in the shop. So I thought I'd have one night somewhere nice. I nearly stayed here the whole time I was in New Delhi, but I'm glad I didn't, guys. The other side of the tracks, there was so much food, there was so much going on. Here's like nothing else I've seen in India. And here she is, all ready to go. The whole shop's here. They're a bit excited to have her in here. I don't think they've ever seen one like it, but the whole shop's here. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Morning. We're all loaded up, ready to go. I ended up staying 2 nights here. Rode around a bit yesterday to make sure everything they did worked, and everything they did work. Thank you very much to Aurum Kawasaki. I'll put a link in the description. But now guys, back on the road 2 days later, heading for Manali. All these people walking to work in Aero City, probably making less money than I paid for 2 nights to stay in that hotel. Guys, I just saw the first sign to Amritsar. I could be in Pakistan tomorrow if I wanted, but I don't. I'm going to go and at least go to Manali and see if Leh is possible at the moment. Well, we're about an hour and a half in. I've got the 1.5 to 2 hour butt, and I was looking for somewhere to stop, and look at this, it's a restaurant with aeroplanes. And just a sec. No. Cold. I want cold. Yeah. They're trying to give me a hot soda water. That's alright, but yeah, they've got 2 aeroplanes here. I'm not going to sit there, I'm just going to sit here. Oh guys, I'm still at the aeroplane restaurant. I'm a terrible tipper, guys. Being Australian, I'm really tight when it comes to tipping. We're paid very well in Australia and we don't tip. So for me, it's really hard. But I understand that a lot of these people around the world rely on tipping to make a living. But anyway, I just gave the guy in the toilet 100 rupees, which is about $2 Australian, because that was the cleanest toilets in India. Well, the owner's just offered me free breakfast, which the buffet looks better than at my $50 hotel, but no, I'm so full. I ate so much when before I left this morning, because I knew it'd be a big day. But they're giving me a free cup of chai, which is just arriving now. Thank you, my friend. Dhanyavad. Oh, and it's a big cup. Well guys, it was clear as a bell 5 minutes ago. Now look at this. It's a really hell of a storm. So the next hotel I see, I'm going to stop. Well, that storm yesterday really hit hard. So I booked into this hotel about 1 o'clock, and now it's 6:30 in the morning, and I'm leaving. It is 6 hours and 1 minute to Manali, so I should make it today. But I met a few guys at my hotel in Delhi yesterday and they were all wearing Manali Leh t-shirts. I said, oh, have you done the ride? And they said, no, they were all Indian, but they live in Sydney. They'd flown in from Sydney to do the ride. Now, their guide had told them that the road's a bit washed out, but it's very doable. But this is a tour company that's making their last bit of money for the year because winter's on its way. And I've got a feeling that they're going to say that whatever the road's like, because they want these people to do it and get their money. So I'm about 4.5 hours from Manali. I'll find out then. Stop for some breakfast. Not really hungry, but I figured I should get something in my stomach. And this weather, look at this, guys. Just terrible. And the Himalayan foothills are right there, but we can't see them because they're covered in clouds. Pretty good day's riding today, guys. Got to just stop for a nice cold soda water. I'm excited but a little bit scared because I just spoke with a couple of Indian guys riding two up full of gear on a little Himalayan, Royal Enfield Himalayan. And they just did Leh. They said they did it with ease and that I'd be able to do it easily as well. So looks like I'm going to Leh, guys. I'll admit in the back of my mind I was kind of thinking, oh, maybe someone will tell me don't do it. But that's not going to happen, guys. I came all the way. This is what I came to do here and the Karakoram Highway. I'd hate to go home and not do it. So look at this, guys, just amazing. And that tunnel, that was the longest tunnel of my life, except at work underground, of course, but yeah, that was the longest tunnel of my life. And the really big famous one is at the other side of Manali. So we'll be doing that in a few days. Now, that all depends on what my guide says in Manali. But even if I don't do Leh, guys, I'm glad I've done this. Just look where we are. Oh my God! Day, guys, what a day. Look where I am, the sun's come out, just amazing. Alright, so I'm on a dam. Look at this, where I am. Just incredible. And on the other side, I'm not going to go over there, it's too busy here, I shouldn't have even stopped, but it's real, it's got the outlet there because they've been getting so much rain. So this side is calm and beautiful, that side is insane. But I'm going to get some more miles up. I've got 2 hours and 2 minutes left. Be in Manali, so I think I will do that today. It's only 12 o'clock now. Guys, what a day. Stretch of road a million times on YouTube. Believe me, guys, it's a million times better in real. Unbelievable. Just went through tunnel 14, I think. The engineering that's gone into making these mountains accessible is just unbelievable. It's engineering feat. Jam in the Himalayas. We're about half an hour from my hotel, maybe. I booked something at that last place I stopped. Hopefully it's a nice hotel. Guys, when I arrived yesterday it was full on cloud cover. Look at this.
Look at this, just incredible.
Well, I'm not sure if I told you yesterday, but I arrived at my hotel and no one was there. I'd already paid for it with Agoda, and now Agoda are refusing to refund me because it's a 7-day refund at this hotel. But I was just at the hotel and they've okayed it, so hopefully something will go on there. I'm just having some breakfast. Guys, it's an amazing clear day today. Those mountains are just amazing. I'm hoping that the bike's all right. She's running fine. I've just got to get a couple of other things checked today. And yeah, it's just beautiful here, guys. Even if you don't ride Leh, coming to Manali is worth it. And I don't think I've showed you one of these since I've been in India. Bread omelette, really popular everywhere you go. Actually, I think I might have shown you one in the Mumbai video, but really good. It's just another way of filling you up for not much. I just put 2 bits of bread and 1 egg and decent breakfast. And I've got a cup of chai. Guys, this is Vikas. He runs Yes Himalaya and he's lived up here for 12 years, did you say? And he's been riding the Manali road that whole time, and he decided that he may as well start a business showing people how to do it. He's running me around today, helping me with stuff. We just bought this jumper for when I'm up in the mountains. It's bloody hot, guys. It's really good wool jumper. But tell us a bit about your company, Vikas.
Yeah, I'm Vikas and I work in adventure motorcycle touring from back in 2011. So after working for 12 years, I just have started my own business.
Yeah, this is his bike here. Beautiful little Himalayan.
Yeah, we have a fleet of like 20 Himalayans. If someone wants to trip in Himalayas, we do all the things like hotels and everything.
Guys,
everything.
I'll put his details in the description so you'll be able to find him easy. But what a nice bloke. And he's doing this for me today just for nothing because he's a nice person.
We'll have a tea.
Yeah, I'll buy you a tea, yes, for sure. Guys, Vikas gave me a hat from Yes Himalaya from his company, which was good because I can't remember what happened to the green one. I must have left it somewhere. Right now I'm off to find some food. Sorry guys, it's really bright today. And Vikas also suggested 3 restaurants up the road here. Vikas was also telling me that this time of year there's heaps of tours. These guys have just finished by the looks, looking a bit exhausted. That'll be me in a couple of days at the other end. And this is the main part of Manali, guys. If you want to get the cheaper stuff, you go up to Old Manali, which is at the top of the hill. That's where I got my jumper from this morning. Look at all this. It's unbelievable. I'm looking for some food. Vikas told me a restaurant for European food, the best Chinese food and the best Indian food. So I'm going to check them out. Well, I've got plenty of footage to make a video. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.